So we're going to do multiplying using exponential rules, right, for Algebra 2. And with this, we're going to go with something like 8a to the 4th or 5th, b to the 6th, c over 3a, b to the 4th, c to the 2nd, times 12 over 4, a to the 12th, b to the 16th, c to the 2, and a to the 24th, b to the 20, and c to the 5, times, about a to the 4th, b to the 1, c to the 1 over, I don't know, 2, a, b, c, right? So with this, we have to remember, let's just put everything together into one piece, okay? And when we do that, we're multiplying. When we multiply, we add the exponents, okay? When we multiply powers that have the same base, we add exponents. Before we can do that, we got to multiply all the numbers. So 8 times 12 times 1, right? Because there's a hidden 1 right here. Okay, so 8 times 12, well, that's 80 plus 16, right? So that would be 96 times 1, which would be 96. So that's the hard part, actually. The a to the 5th times a to the 12th times a to the 4th.
You add them all.
Yeah, we're just going to add them all. So 5 plus
17,
12.
and then that's 21.
Perfect. So it's a to the 21. And then
B to the 7th. Oh no, B, my bad. B to the 23rd.
so it's b to the 22nd first, and then 1 to the 23rd. Good. B to the 23rd, and then C.
B to the 4th.
Good. So it's 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. Does that make sense? Norman?
Norman, he's talking to you. Pay attention.
Unless, I don't know if he's still using it.
Does that make sense? Just adding those up? Dante? Okay. Then we got 3 times 4.
12,
Okay. Times 2.
24,
Okay. And then I've got a times a to the 24 times a.
Did you hear that?
Is that you?
No.
What the fuck was that?
A times a to the 24 times a. So that's one of these.
A to the
24
and
1.
25.
So 25 and 26, right?
Was that
25, 26. So a to the 26, right? Then we got b. b4, b20, b1. That'd be
B4, that's 20, B to the 25th.
25th. Okay? Then we got c2, c5, c1.
C5, C2, C1.
What is that?
C to the 8.
c to the 8. Okay?
Are you telling me you didn't?
Now, what you're going to do is take the smaller number from the bigger number and leave it where the bigger number is. Okay? So first we've got to break down this 96 over 24. What goes into 96 and 24? You know anything? 3, 12. Okay? So you can start with 2 because they're both even. Okay? If you can go to the 12, that works, right? As long as 12 goes into them all, which it does, right? But for right now, let's just do 2, see what happens. Because maybe we're not that advanced and we can't see that 12 goes into both of those. So, but we know 2 does because they're both even, right? So 2 goes into 96. Well, 2 goes into 6 twice. And 2 goes into 9 4 times with 1 left over. 2 goes into 16 8 times. And then 2 goes into 24 12 times. And then 2 goes into both of those again, right?
24 over 12, or 24 over 6.
24 over 12, or 6. Okay, and then again,
12 over 3.
2 goes into this 12 over 3. Right? And even at 12, if we would have divided by 12, it wouldn't have worked all the way out, right? Because it wasn't enough. Actually, we needed to take out 24. Right? So then I take out 3, and it's going to be 4 over 1, which is just 4. Okay? Right? And so I know that this is 4 over 1. And then 21 from 26 leaves 5. And 23 from 25 leaves
Negative 2.
2.
Oh, 25 from
23 from 25.
You said 25.
Sorry. And then 4 from 8 is,
That's weird.
and then that's it.
I thought I was bleeding.
Okay? And you leave the bigger, wherever the bigger number is. So if the bigger number was in the top, you take the smaller from the top, right? Let's say if you had a to the 7th over a to the 5th, right? Times c or something like that. Then you would have 5 from 7, which is 2, and the c would be left down there. Does that make sense? All we're doing is taking the smaller number from the bigger number and leaving it where the bigger number is. Okay?